Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video I am going to tell you about a stroke property or an outline property in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So this is a very simple property but can be very useful. So for that I'm going to draw a shape. You can draw any shape. So I'm going to draw a circle. I will change the outline color, let's say to this color. And again I will also change the fill color so that it is clearly visible. I will also increase the weight or the width of the outline, so I will make it a bit darker, the outline color that is. So this is the outline, and if you can see the outline weight is 24. So if I decrease the size, so again with the size the outline weight also decreases in proportion. As you can see, if I increase, the outline weight also increases, and as I decrease the outline weight also decreases. So it is directly proportional, or according to the size it changes. But what if I want to make it constant, or I want it to remain constant? So what I can do is I can simply go to transform and turn this option off, scale, strokes and effects. If I turn this option off, as you can see, the stroke weight is 23.0675 points. So if I decrease the size of the shape, the stroke weight remains constant because I have turned off this option over here. So as you can see, even if I increase the size or decrease, and I'm holding shift key to make it in proportion, the circle, that is, it is not necessary to hold shift, but just in this case I am holding it. So as you can see, the weight remains constant. So if I again, now it is 23 something, and if I turn this option on again, scale, strokes and effects, then it will decrease according to the size or increase according to the size. It will change according to the size, the weight, the stroke weight, that is. So this is a very simple property but can be very useful, and it can get frustrating if you don't know this property. Again, this not only works on stroke weight itself, but again it also works on the effects that you apply to any shape. That's why it is called as scale, strokes and effects. So what if I apply stroke? So I will open appearance panel. If you are not able to see the appearance panel, you can simply go to window and turn the option on from here. So if I apply some effect, let's say I will apply a simple effect, drop shadow. So if I keep it to normal and I want opacity 100 and X and Y, so this is the effect, that is the drop shadow effect, and this option is on. So if I decrease the size or if I change the size, as you can see, the shadow size, the effect size also decreases. If I increase the size, the effect size also increases. But if I turn this option off, then the size of this effect will remain same, like this. So this is looking a bit odd, the stroke weight as well as the effect size, it is looking pretty odd. So this remains constant, and if you want it to change with the shape, you can turn this option on, scale, strokes with effect. So like this. So this is the property that I was going to talk about. So I hope this property is useful for you. Can be useful if you use it properly. So if you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.